Hello, folks. Hope you are doing well. And in this session, we are going to discuss the marketing as a process. I'm your instructor, Rajesh Durbala, and I'll be taking you through this session, a very short, crisp session where we are going to understand the marketing as a process. So, the learning outcome for this session, that is, we would like to describe the evolution of contemporary marketing process, what the contemporary marketing process is all about. This is what we are going to learn. So let's see a simple slide on which we get to know what the entire process of marketing involves. A very simple yet a very intricate process. Okay, I say simple because it's very clear to understand what goes into marketing, but intricate because it involves a lot of fine, minor processes and decisions that you need to take in order to gain the customer's confidence and the customer's trust. So, first and foremost, in the marketing process, we need to understand the customer needs and preferences. What are the likes of the customer? What does the customer need? What does the customer require? What is the problem of the customer for which he is seeking a solution? So, unless we understand what the customer needs, we won't be able to solve the needs of the customer. We won't be able to give him the right products and services. So, the moment we start or take up the marketing process, the first key decision that you need to take is to identify the needs and preferences of your customer. So, if let us say I need to understand what is the need of my customer, then for instance, the need of my customer is communication. So, how can I solve this need in the best possible manner? The customer can communicate through letters. The customer could communicate through a telephone. The customer can communicate through email. The customer can communicate through personal messages, all these things, right? But just if I take a smartphone, it integrates all these individual isolated ways of communication. So the point over here is, when I'm giving you a solution, when I'm offering a solution to the consumer, I need to think of the best possible product which tries to solve all the various kinds of needs that the consumer has. If I'm an automotive maker, I'm making automobiles, it's not just the transportation that I need to offer. The need of the customer could be much deeper than that. Customer definitely would require a transportation, so I give him an automobile. But at the same time, the customer may also need comfort. So I need to give him an air-conditioned car. The customer also looks for economy. I need to give him a fuel efficient, comfortable, air conditioned car. The customer may also require status. So I need to give him that brand which adds to the status of the customer. So I need to understand those finer, intricate needs of the customer and the preferences that the customer has and tailor my offering according to that. So, the first step in the process of marketing is understanding the needs and preferences of the customer. If I ignore this, then the entire effort of marketing can fall flat. So, the paramount step, the most important step in the entire marketing process is identifying the needs of the consumer, identifying the tastes and preferences, identifying the problems. What is the problem for which the customer is seeking the solution, right? Then, the second one is, after I have understood the needs of the consumer, the second step in this process is satisfying them in a most profitable manner. Okay. I say the firm's object satisfying in such a way that fulfills the firm's objectives. The firm's objectives is nothing but profits, right? So I need to satisfy the needs of the consumer in such a way that is the most profitable for the firm. But at this point of a time, I should not deprive the consumer of the value. I need to give him the best possible value and also have a profitable relationship with the consumer, right? So when I give him a product, the customer should be, super happy with that product, and the product should deliver the value that the customer has sought for. And in the due course of this, I need to generate profits. So marketing cannot be considered effective if I do not generate profits. And that is the end objective of any business. So a very simple process: identifying the needs and preferences of the consumer and satisfying those needs in such a way that the firm's objectives, that is profit maximization, is also attained. I remember something that my professor used to tell: find the need and fill the gap. That's it. That's the entire process of marketing. I hope you found this video to be informative, useful, and if you have liked this video, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Spread the good word about it. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.